Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on PlayStation 4. Good news! Roblox is officially available on your PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 consoles. It launched on October 10th, 2023, making it accessible to millions of new players. You can download the free application directly from the PlayStation Store. This means you can join the fun and connect with friends across various devices, enjoying a vast universe of user-created experiences right from your console. To get started, simply head over to the PlayStation Store on your console. Use the search bar to type in Roblox and select the official game application. It's a free download, so you won't need to make any purchases to get the base game. Once downloaded, launch the application, and you'll have the option to sign into your existing Roblox account or create a brand new one. It's that straightforward to dive into the action. Roblox on PlayStation offers full cross-platform support, meaning you can play with friends regardless of whether they are on PC, mobile, or Xbox. 3. You'll have access to millions of diverse, immersive experiences created by a global community. 4. The controls are optimized for your PlayStation controller, making gameplay intuitive and enjoyable. You can easily move your character, control the camera, and use items with familiar button layouts. 21. Join a massive community of over 66 million daily active users. 5. While Roblox is free to download and play, it does feature optional in-game purchases for Robux, the virtual currency used for items and experiences. 4. For the best experience, ensure you have a stable internet connection, ideally 15 megabits per second or more, to minimize any latency. 19. Remember to utilize your PlayStation's parental controls to manage access and spending, especially for younger players. With millions of experiences available, take your time to explore and find your favorites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.